Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use form builders in Shopify. Let's get started. Or to do that, head over in here on the apps. Search in here for form builders. Once you have searched for that, click on the search in Shopify App Store right here. This because you can use or you can make a form builder using Shopify alone and you need to integrate another app. So for this one, just choose which one is available for you. Those free to install and all these things right here, as well as this POWR right here. What I can recommend do is just download this POWR right here. This is actually really good. They have a free plan available. Click on install right here. And then from in there, it will ask you for access in order to successfully install a specific application. So in here, just click on the install. Once you have clicked on the install button, you should be able to see its dashboard on your Shopify store. So let's just wait for that. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. So let's just wait for this to finish the loading process in order to see the dashboard that it will look like. So as you can see right now, they have opened us this POWR contact form. So you can name this form. So for example, let's name it my form. And then you can use a template. You can use an AI generated template that you want. So for example, let's name it something like email form and click on generate. And then this will generate the email form for you or email template for you. You can also head over and click on this form right here and change the title and description as well as the button, other image elements right here as well. You can click on the settings right here and you can email the form to admin. You can do an autoresponder where if you click on this, you can enable this one and you can send an email and this will completes your form rates. You can also click on the design right here in order to change what it will look like. So for example, let's change this to the dark material. And as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. So you can click on this specific edit mode right here. So let's head back to the form. And then in here, let's can actually edit out the email address. You can make this a required field. You can set as half width as well as open checkbox as well. You can also put in here pick a favorite, or you can also delete it if you don't need it. And then you can also put in here tell us about yourself, make this a required field. Also limit some characters and input height as well. So in here you can also put and add another element if you want. You can make something like a name. So once you click on the name right here, you can just put in here the first and last name only, or the same of them. Click on done, and as you can see, they will reflect right here. And as you can see, we can now head over and we can also see these options right here. It's your pick your favorite, wherein you can ask them for a multiple choice and you can just add in here a choice for them. So just head over and edit it out however you want. And once you're done with everything, just head over and publish it. And then in here, the next thing you need to do is to just select the word install form builder. So for me, I'll just put this on my home page. Then in here, click on this copy ID because they will need it later. Click on install in Shopify theme editor. And then once you have done that, it will open here a new page wherein it will direct you to the editor of your Shopify. So let's just wait for that to finish the loading process. So as you can see, the POWR contact form has been added. So when you click on that, you see to put in here the one that you have copied earlier. And then from in there, just enable it. And then as you can see, this will load the form. So in just a few moments, you should be able to see in here the form that you want or that you have created earlier. After that, click on save right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have problems with your help us, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.